Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today we're taking a look at Verizon, found at Verizon.com. Verizon is one of the largest telecommunications companies in the United States, offering a wide range of services from mobile phone plans and internet access to television packages and even business solutions. Navigating their website, you'll find sections dedicated to each of these offerings, allowing you to explore the various options available based on your specific needs. Whether you're looking for a new smartphone, a faster internet connection, or a comprehensive entertainment bundle, Verizon likely has a package designed to fit your requirements. Their website provides detailed information on plan pricing, data allowances, coverage maps, and available devices. For mobile phone plans, you can compare different tiers of service, including prepaid options, family plans, and unlimited data packages. Similarly, their internet offerings range from basic DSL connections to high-speed fiber optic service, depending on availability in your area. You can often find promotional deals and special offers highlighted on the website, making it worthwhile to check regularly for potential savings. For existing customers, the website also provides access to account management tools, allowing you to view your bill, make payments, and manage your services. Beyond individual and family plans, Verizon also caters to business customers with dedicated solutions for communication, connectivity, and security. This includes enterprise-grade internet access, cloud solutions, and IoT, Internet of Things, services designed to optimize operations and enhance productivity. Overall, Verizon's online presence serves as a comprehensive resource for exploring their extensive portfolio of services. It's a platform where prospective and current customers can research plans, compare options, and manage their accounts, all within a user-friendly interface. While navigating such a vast array of options can sometimes feel overwhelming, the site generally does a good job of presenting the information in a clear and organized manner, making it a valuable tool for anyone considering Verizon as their telecommunications provider. Remember to check the description for links and further information.